Hey guys, I'm excited to present…
Cut!
Huh? Oh, what now?
Too boring. Let's try again. Be more expressive this time.
Expressive schmexpressive. Fine, I'll try. Hey guys, I'm excited to present you with our new super duper mega book. Don't miss out on this rare offer.
Much better. I even want this book for myself now.
You want to know what's inside? Let's have a look. This book is a luxurious, custom-made doll mansion. Wakey, wakey! It's time to get ready for the day. Oh, is that a mini Sam? Cute! By the way, your sister's awake now too. Let's focus on getting cleaned up.
Cut! I can't take it anymore. I want to play too.
The first thing we do when we wake up…
It's a playing game. Let's have fun.
Wrong. We should shower and brush our teeth.
Huh? Fine.
Okay, let's start with the shower. Come this way. Into the bathtub you go. Here's a rubber ducky to keep you entertained. Now, let's get down to business. First, we wash your head. And of course, we'll give you a good scrubbing. After a good wash, you need to change into a bathrobe.
It is so fluffy and comfy. Hey, Sue, why are your clothes all over the place?
Whoops!
Huh?
I was just about to do laundry. Thanks for the reminder. For a good wash, we need laundry powder. And, of course, a laundry conditioner. Let's get the laundry started. Wow, that bathrobe looks so good on you. It's time to brush your teeth.
Psst. Hey, Sue, people usually have to use the toilet first thing in the morning.
Don't worry, our super house is equipped with all the necessities. We're done in the bathroom. Now it's time for breakfast. Here, I'll fetch you something to eat. What to choose? Oh, let's have some chicken.
Wait! You are not saying we're having chicken for breakfast, are you? How about candy?
Healthy breakfast first, then candy, Sammy.
Huh?
We need to heat up our breakfast. Like this.
Isn't candy healthy? For slimes, they're a must.
I'm afraid that rule only works for slimes. Our doll will eat the healthy chicken first, and then a little treat.
It was so yummy. Thank you, Sue.
Okay, it's time to get changed. So, let's see what we have here. Oh, a denim jacket. It will bring out the color of your eyes.
Ooh.
We are gonna wear these pink pants. They go perfectly with the jacket.
Sue, don't forget the shoes.
That's right. Let's put on our sneakers. 1 and 2. There you go, pretty. You are all dressed up and ready to hit the town. So, what do you guys think of our super duper mega book? I think it turned out really fun and interesting. Are you guys ready for the next step?
Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a blast.
Now, Sam and I are gonna show you how to put this awesome book together. Here's our pages. These are the rooms and the items that go with them. Note the scissors symbol. This means that you will need to cut here, but first we need to laminate all the pages so they don't get dirty.
Here I am. I came as fast as I could. Let me see. Wow, that's me. I'm on the blanket. That is so cute. Okay, it's time to laminate. Done. Sue, you can take it.
Wow, that is so neatly done. Sammy, you really are the ultimate crafter.
Learning from the best.
Our pages are laminated. Now we need to…
Sue, I got you some water.
No, not the pages. It's all soaked now.
Oh no, I'm sorry. It was an accident. accident! What are we gonna do now?
Don't worry, buddy. It's okay. That's why we laminated the pages in the first place. Now, let's cut it all out already.
Perfect! I'm going to go make some stickers.
No way!
Huh? Oh, come on!
I'm sorry, Sammy, but we are gonna need this for our craft. But look, here's a cat. He needs a kitty sitter.
I volunteer! I volunteer!
I knew it.
Oh, what a cute kitty! Whee!
You guys play. I'm gonna finish up here. Okay, this page is done. And these two.
Sue, Kitty can't wait to get into the book.
Hey, Kitty, you're gonna have to be patient. We have a lot of work ahead. First thing first, we need to glue the pages on. Right here and here. By the way, guys, this part doesn't need to be laminated. We are all set. Sammy, come here.
I'm here! Give me a quest, Sue, and a harder one.
Bring all the items to me.
Finally, a job for me. I'm on it. Here you go.
Thank you. This is where we put the mask and the mirror. And here's a blindfold and moisturizing lotion. Here are all of our pillows. This one's my favorite. Also, let's add this cute little blankie. Look, guys, it's got our Sammy on it. We'll attach it with double-sided foam tape, like this. Putting on a blanket. And don't forget the bed frame, to keep our bed in place.
Let's test it out. Yeah, it's the most bouncy. Sue!
Oh no, Sammy! Are you okay? Come back here.
I'm fine. Rest assured, no slime was harmed in the making of this video. I'm on my way. What's that thing you are building in there?
The closet. Here, look. Here we have a dotted line. It needs to be carefully cut through. Guys, be very careful with sharp tools and ask an adult to help you. If we put these two pieces together, we have a closet door. Slide this part of the door through the hole. Done! The door opens and closes. You need to do the same thing here.
I brought some clothes.
Just in time. Oh, come on, Sammy. Let's put all the stuff in our closet.
Huh? What's that smell?
I think it's from the socks on your head.
Huh? Socks? Ew! Somebody needs laundry.
Take a look. The first room is ready.
Ugh! Ew! The smell of socks is haunting me.
We've got the bathroom next. This should help.
Thank Tibidaba.
Now the bathroom. Here's the bathtub, and here's the washing machine. To secure everything together, don't forget this piece. We are gluing this page here.
I can't wait to get in the tub. Huh? Sue, where is the drape?
I'm making it right now.
All right, but don't take too long.
So, on this side, we'll have Sammy with the ducky, and this side is our bathrobe.
Sue, look at this cool boat I found.
It's a bathtub, Sammy. Don't forget to stick double-sided foam tape here. Now, let's add a little magic. Onto this part of the bathroom. We need this for our washing machine. The toilet lid is already in its place. I'll put the laundry supplies in here.
Sue, help me! I'm so hungry after the bath.
Hang on a bit. I'll add the finishing touch and we can move on to the kitchen. Bathrobe goes here. Excellent! Here we go. Our bathroom is ready. We are at the finish line, folks. All that's left is the kitchen. Let's get started! Here's an oven for delicious cakes. And the fridge is still a work in progress.
That's right up my alley. So, what's in the fridge?
Here, look.
Fish? Are you kidding me? I'll be right back. This is what every slime should have in the fridge. Sweets! But only for dessert, of course.
Our fridge is stocked. Let's close it up for now. And the table should be covered with a tablecloth. Our kitchen is ready. We've got goodies in the fridge and the kitty to keep us company. So nice! Now all we have to do is put it all together. Let's start with the cover. Here we go.
Here, Sue. I brought you a bedroom. It's the first one in our book, right?
That's right, Sammy. Let's glue it right here. Now the kitchen. And, of course, the bathroom. That's it.
Oh, my feta! This book is gonna be a bestseller!
Absolutely, Sammy. That's my favorite book now.
Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up!
And subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye!